Hi, I'm Jack at Directable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from content in Canva to showing it on a screen right now. First, make sure you have your content pulled up in the Directable app and that you have linked your Directable and Canva accounts. If you haven't done so, you should see a Connect button on the left-hand side of your screen and go ahead and sign into your account. Or, if you don't have an account with us yet, go ahead and sign up for a free 14-day free trial, no credit card required, with just an email, password, and phone number. Once you've done that, come back to here. You should be seeing this screen where you have Export to Directable. Go ahead and click that, Export, and in just a moment you should see that your design has exported successfully. This will give you a custom link to open up in Directable. You can see what you've exported and how it'll look on a screen. But I'm going to go ahead and view it in Directable. I'm now looking at my slides. I can see the slide that I just imported. So I'm going to go back to our main screen. Now I'm going to go to Playlists and create a playlist with my slide. So in this case, I'm going to call this my Canva slides. I'm going to click Add Slides. You can either click the checkbox or just drag and drop. Also on these screens in the playlist, you can adjust the timing of each slide, number of slides, order, all of that. But in this case, I'm just going to do the one slide, save my changes, and now you can see I have my Canva Slides playlist. Now that you have a playlist ready to go, you just need a screen. On whatever your screen display you would like, whether it be an Amazon TV, Google TV, or any of the other ones listed on our website, go ahead and click Add a New Screen. Here you'll see that you need to enter a key. So now if you go to your TV and download the Directable app, as shown here, Directable, you should see a screen like this. These codes are only valid for a certain amount of time, so make sure you are quick about it. However, I'm going to just enter ZPNQ here as my key, ZPNQ. I'll name my screen Amazon Screen for Canva. You can determine a schedule for this, but in this case I'm just going to run it all the time. I don't need to do any of this other stuff. I'm just going to select my available playlists, go to Canva Slides, and hit Save. And just like that, you should be seeing this on your screen. And you just went from content in Canva to digital signage on a screen ready to go for your business. For more helpful videos, check out the links in the description of this video, or check out our website at directable.com/help.